Hi, this is Randy Kirk, and we're back with Dr. Marty Tashman, psychotherapist, marriage and family counselor out in New Jersey, out in central New Jersey. And Marty, you mentioned to me that a lot of people really don't get what happens in that first session. Talk to us about what people can expect so that it's not so, maybe there's no fear associated with that first session.
Sure, and the other thing is that there's no wasted time as well. The important thing is the way I like to do therapy is to start with what is the client's concerns, to get them right out in the open, and then from understanding what their concerns are, work backwards to figure out what information you need. But you can understand what's extraneous and what's purposeful based on where the client is starting from. You may need to know some history if, for example, the couple is upset about things that happened years ago, but you may not have to focus on the history if, in fact, they're upset about vacations or they're upset about the husband not being home. You may need to know a little bit about that, but what you really need to know is the dynamics that's happening right then and there. And then, even in the first session, it's a terrific idea to be able to give things that people can do to take home that they can do. For example, find something that your spouse is doing right. Notice the conversation you're having in your head. And also prepare yourself for the next session by things that seem to be difficult for you so that you can have a running start when we meet the next time.
On a practical level, again, would that mean that in the very first session you might be asking me questions about what I'd like to see different?
Yes. And or what you see is what's wrong. What hasn't happened? What are you disappointed about? Where are the friction points? That's very important to know. Because if we can talk about, is it in-laws? Is it sexual intimacy? We can start to look at that and then work backwards for the things that are problematic.
Interesting. Marty, when people come to see you, they'll know what to expect.
Terrific. Thanks so much. Great questions.
Thank you.